the War Steeds. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, by the snorting war steeds which strike fire with their hooves as they gallop to the raid at dawn, and with the trail of dust split apart a massed army. Humanity is ungrateful to his Lord. To this he himself shall bear witness. He loves riches with all his heart. But is he not aware that when the dead are thrown out from their graves and man's hidden thoughts are laid open, their Lord will on that day have full knowledge of them all? Now, sound-wise, but even meaning-wise, this is particularly a chapter that is hard to get the strength of it in any translation. I think French does a better job. But you know, the unity, the unity of on the path and the effect of the path. And the openness of the awareness and expression.